On this Mori machine we are trying to execute the M19 code. This has a CELOS CNC, actually Mitsubishi 730. So we do have an alarm EX0406 and the coil. Let's see the details. The detail says that the coil is M7429 and we are now in setting mode. So we're gonna change this area to see in maintenance setting the machine settings. Let's close edit mode or edit window, and in NC settings we're gonna open the PLC screen and we're gonna open the ladder. So now we're gonna search a coil. We're gonna change the target to coil. So now we can enter M7429, M7429. Find next, and this is the coil. So let's check this signal. Let me show you what we don't have the comments on this program, but we can open the manuals, and in manuals we can open the ladder and search for M7429. we say. So we have this signal, and sorry, okay, this is the alarm, spindle interlock. We said that it was external 406, so that is the alarm, and we are gonna check the coil ends. So if we have this any of these conditions, means that it's gonna check if we have any interlock and then trigger the alarm. So let's see, back to the CNC. So we have the M2735 on, so this signal needs to be off. So let's check M2735. Find next, and there you go. So we do have this condition is making that coil, so probably because this is used as a negative and non-negative contact, the signal that we need to check is this one. We're gonna look for the coil W108, W108.D. Find next, and there you go. This is an input, X7F. It's an input that is coming, if you check in your manual, electrical diagram, I mean, is an input that is coming from, in this case, from the table. So let's reset here, and let's go there, and you see we have now reset or disable these inputs. So let's close and go to MDI. Let's reset the alarm and hit MDI restore to orient the spindle and hit cycle start, and there you go. Now we have the spindle orient. Okay, thank you.